Rajan asked, hey all, is the topical solution important for females as well? Asking for a friend who's trying to decide which kit to order. And some interesting comments. Max said, I've had more interest from women than men. And Holly said, it really is. It's so much more socially acceptable and common. Almost expected for men to lose their hair. It's devastating for women. I truly feel like this has saved me from some very dark times in the future. So I never really anticipated that we would have as many women and female customers and clients as we do. I'm super grateful for them. And actually, because of that, my mom, I show her all these pictures all the time because I'm so excited. I'm like, Mom, look at this. I'll text her the pictures. And because of the amazing results that women have had, my mom actually has been using Adegen topical and the whole protocol. But I don't think she felt comfortable to even explain or to be even vulnerable enough with me to say, hey, I'm losing my hair and my temples and things. So even my mom uses the topical solution and the shampoo and the brushing. So the women have had amazing results. You can see pictures like Holly's is the prime example, like literally unbelievable results from the topical and the protocol. So, and again, you can use the topical until you get the results, and you can maintain those results with the brushing and the shampoo. And I think it's a lot easier for women to restore their hair and to have great results than it is for men, because they have a much lower level of hormones and DHT in their body.